Abusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Lawyer Morris Ampao na okasa de chere NDC amayoku no na lawyer ne sema okan ina ne say 2024 abato na ye ba beto no Ashanti region eye no go area de ma NDC amayoku no and afen so almost stronghold eye Volta region eno so no enya de a wanhwa omubenya vote bebre efi ho na adofodie ntia lawyer Morris Ampao ka say no ni nchemu ene say MDC amayoku no 2024 abatona ye ba beto no enya de omo eka enyama pa obetimi aye ede aboa oman Ghana na mmome no atemdidi na NDC party no omo abo enkrofo party tru pa ene Kelvin Taylor owo Facebook ne platform ni din ene with all due respect ote America ene auto emane asantefo ene asantefo aye say asantefo adesoa de ma Ghana man ene say enyema Kelvin Taylor keka enya semketo akra na no ena lawyer ekire say NDC yeto aba Ghana hanom na so betumi enwinia chise munya aba no more efri eye Volta region sorry Ashanti region na mo amadwen say afi NPP amayoku no so omunya menkoye enti no automatically no Ghana fo beto aba ede amamu enti mo de atemdidi ena ema Ghana fo a enya de a ebeboa mu nti sene mo asi abọ nkrofo pa mo edi asantefo atem no enya de a 2024 mo benya ba ede efi wonti no Ashanti region kwa de mu yimu ani emfa emfi omoso na owie ena o kire se almost stronghold eye Volta region no honso NDC fo omo asake eye Voltarians leaders omo NDC party ni mu nyina efi enti no sisi Ghana hanom yeto abada se NDC fu mbetimi enwinia chise monya vote more every Ashanti region and afenso Volta region sa two regency and mo vote na sisi mo succeed se mo asake mpanifo mo fi Volta region every party ni mo na mo gusu edi Asante Fatemi ebeside na mo enwini yenti ensema lawyer na nkasa ede etudwa.
You can win the enoughness. Ashanti the no-go area because Mama Kelvin Taylor, any other people who did Ashanti for attempt at the two for attempt. As I said, the way you rubbish the Ashanti people, the way Amoyama said, Ashanti region, some we need power because Ashanti region no, MPP stronghold. So if Mama will say Oba share with dia, then it means that minus that region. Yes. If you tell me, say, if you come and you're going to take care of NDC people first, then minus Ashanti region. The Ashanti follow, Ashanti region, Volta region, Musu, Mama, you Voltarians in the party. There is no Voltarian representing the leadership. Indeed, the Volta region too is bleeding. What did I say? So these are the things that I'm expecting NDC to address. Than to talk about do and die and then you kill. You kill for what? Go mamano papa ya. Never there. Catch your mamano papa mo. Say ube kum nobody we need power. But ube kum innocent ordinary Ghanaian. Just common elections. You go to a battle and then do and die and then make out. That is my opinion. Ghana is bigger than any politicians. A politician be obey na die. Politician be ara nyame seni mna so no ono beba. Ghana yen do ni yen die. 2024 elections beba to ye na nyame asra no ngo se ondi ye so no obedi ye so. That is my opinion. Me bia meba if me politicians no. Now let me come to our recent kakra issues of property sharing. Kwaya faswa say ye warrior and now no be chimpna.
Yentro adentina yetro. He had more than 20 years to cancel ex gratia or move a motion in parliament to cancel ex gratia. Wanye. Ebio Ghana for Matuchi Ekodi Bahama Echi because of your back cancel as Gracia. Mumma Menka say Minchiramo. The president of Ghana cannot cancel as Gracia. Utie. For those of us who want to learn, I'm taking you through the constitution now. And per the constitution, a president, Utie, cannot cancel Article 71. On to me, he doesn't have the power. So you see, Mahama is again lying to you people again. Mahama has read the constitution. Mahama knows he cannot. The word is he cannot cancel ex gratia. He cannot change 71. The constitution doesn't give the president the power to do that. So, Chairman, Ghana for check. You might not like my style of communicating. Yes, I understand. Sometimes I get a very, very vibrous. But let me tell you something. Truth is truth and can never be changed. Truth, no kure, no kure. Na yentumi nsesa no kure. Ucha atro de utube sesa de nam hye ho, no wa yibi afum na de bi aka ho. Ba no kure de ye krojin. President Mahama became president. The Constitutional Review Committee was there. Chairman, Yembisa Ghana for said, why no man sa Constitutional Review Committee ni jaya adwumaye? Say we yen tumi mpio sitting allowance bill. Hey, Ghana for, are we going to do this for real? Chairman, Obisa Oba, Obecha S. Gresham, okay? S. Gresham, no, nan the boss, I started here who adwuma dada. Committee na area who adwuma no. Onipa na osi opeso otwa sa ade enu no ono na ka tro mo se munjai se adwuma na ye bi niska me de betua mo certain allowance.
Oh yeah, I remember pa mekai pa.
Why do Ghana do this? Why? Chairman, o pese woman ye jai blue she enti afa committee a omo dwendwen ne ama ye befa so e dey draft BB akoma parliamentarians because omo kwa na wotu mi say ye de besesa ex gratia say yes sound e parliament and president. Chairman, na adwumayefo na omo ye say adwuma no wakoka trom say untumi ntu omo sitting allowance bi onti no which say it has been shoved back. And unti na me Endra all castle go betwem the NDC pa de yare o NDC. There be God, I thank you. I never belong to that. Oh God. Sometimes it hurts me that some of my family